POV, if you're running away from a block avalanche. Help! Run! Later. Help! 5 hours later. Okay, I'm gonna get this guy up. I think I should use a torch to find. It's not here. Well, I should check inside. Whoa! Help, I'm stuck. When it's getting rotten. Wait, hold on a sec. Nay. What he said. I'm gonna get those guys out. With my shield. Whoa! Yeah, I don't know where to find it now, but I can do it. Ow. No one is gonna rescue him, but they're just gonna stay there forever. What did you say? What did you say? Nothing. I think he said something. Ah! The end.